Hey, this is Dr. Danny Park with the Chiropark. In this video, I'm going to show you how the chiropractic adjustment will help you with your neck pain. Now, by this time, we have identified the cause of Dr. Erin's neck pain, which is the misalignment of your spine. If you take a look at this model here, this misalignment that we found through numerous exams and taking x-rays, now we have identified it. It's called subluxation. That is the cause of the nerve being pinched that feeds the muscles and soft tissues around your neck, which causes your neck pain. So it is extremely important for you to get that corrected by trained corrective chiropractor. So please do not try this at home. Now, Dr. Erin's, we have identified upper cervical that has been out of place, which is causing her neck pain. We are going to rotate her neck. And as a trained corrective chiropractor, we're gonna apply the slide force. Boom. The pop sound that comes with that adjustment often is release of nitrogen gas from the joint. Some adjustment, you will never hear the sound. Now, we do have one left on the other side. Second cervical spine. This is how adjustment look like, and this is the correction of the root cause of your neck pain. I'll see you next time.